other thing, here's my scripture journal application. So as you can see, we only have one entry in it right now, but we can search by book. Well, let's go ahead and add some entries so that you can see this. So, New Testament book, Matthew. Chapter 3, verses 2 through 4. Note. This is a great scripture. Out of the entry. And we see it adds. I'm going to go ahead and add a couple more so you can see the limit on this, and then I'll close it. Okay, so now I've added the two more entries, so we have 4, and we can see that it breaks after 3 and goes on to the next page automatically. If we want to search by book, we can do that. We can search Nephi, and that'll pull up both 1st Nephi. We should also get 3rd Nephi as well. There we go, both of those. And then we can search by like journal entry. So maybe we want to look for Lord. Let's take out our book just so we can get more results. Looks like I only have one that actually has the word Lord in it. Yeah, so you can just search by that. Maybe we'll also search confuse. I believe I have that on one of my notes. And then we can see right there, confuse. So we can search, we can edit. Let's say we want to edit this one. Oh no, actually. It was more, that was verses 6 through 12. 6 through 12. There we go, and we hit submit changes. And we'll pull it back up. If you look, verses 6 through 12, it's now been changed to. We can sort by standard work, book, chapter, verse, or note. I'm not going to show that because that's just super repetitive. Anyway, so let's delete one. Let's delete the one in the New Testament. Hit delete. It pulls up the information about this. We hit delete journal entry. And then, as you can see, we only have 3. The other page goes away. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.